Hi, today I've got a garden floodlight which has failed. The fault with this was it was coming on but it was very dim and the LED was flickering. Now I've taken it apart thinking it was just simply water damage, but there's no sign of any corrosion inside at all. Inside you've just got bridge rectifier, capacitor, another diode, and that is a constant current LED driver chip. I think you've just got 4 pins. I'll dig the data sheet out for that and show that. But all these connections here seem to be fine. There's no dry joints, no sign of any cracking on the PCB or anything. It did work, but I say it was very flickery and dim. This chip here is actually a MOSFET, dual MOSFET. Now I did do a bit of probing about off camera, and it appears that the actual LEDs are faulty. Some of them work, some don't. So that one works. But quite a few of them simply don't work. So it looks like it's, so despite LEDs having a long life, these have clearly failed. And that one's okay. Yeah, a bit strange for that. These like chip on board LEDs seem to have just died. Not really much to it. I'll put it on resistance. Some of them may have gone leaky, which has caused the LEDs to fail. Nope, nothing on these. I can't find any information on that MOSFET chip. Can't find a data sheet on that, but that is constant current LED driver. It just runs direct off the mains. Some are back to front. It appears none are leaky. Power supply on them. I'll set this at 50 milliamps current. Move it all the way around. Oh, that was have to turn it on, didn't it? Bloody hell, bright. $50 milliamps, so I couldn't do a bit more. Down to 20 milliamps. Can't look at that, it's just blowing in. Come on. Let's try again. There we go. Even at 20 milliamps, they're stupidly bright. That's insane. That's 2.8 volts, 20 milliamps. Well, it appears that there's over 2 LEDs that work on this out of the. What? I just wonder if the constant current LED chips failed. It's dumped too much current through them and blown them up. So much for LEDs that's supposed to last a lifetime. This thing lasted about a year and then it failed. Well, that's kind of interesting. You just sense a module there, but that's a sealed unit. Trying to see what that chip is. I can't see because I've been looking at the LEDs. See the camera, I'll pick it up. Oh, TC1615. That's your LED driver. There's not a right lot you can do with that. That seems these COB LEDs just don't seem to last at all. I don't have a hot rework station, so let's try. Well, it's knackered anyway, so I can't do it and make it any worse. Look. Presume there's a bit of soldering underneath as well. Oh, nope, that's knackered it. Well, I've tried heating it up from behind and then getting a soldering iron on it, but they just don't want to come off. Well, I wonder how they got soldered on it first place. No. There's your circuit board in more detail. All it's doing is just melting the top of the LEDs. Well, I did manage to get them off. I used a gas stove to heat up the back plate, and they just dropped off. Bonus. There's the underside of one. Now, I'll see how many of them actually work now. So to conclude, out of 16 LEDs, 14 are faulty, and these two work. Now, let's see what I can do with them.